In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely butternut squash chickpeas curry. First I'm going to use probably about half of this. That should be enough. I'm going to take the skin off. You can either use a knife or you can use a peeler. I'm going to go ahead and dice these. You can cut them the size you prefer. Then I'm just going to go for sort of medium dice. I'm going to use about half of onion. I'm going to use a couple bits of peppers, just like for extra color. Bit of chili. I'm going to go ahead and add some olive oil. Today I'm using my own brand of curry powder. That's what it looks like. What am I going to do? I'm going to go and add the butternut squash in. Just to get a bit of color on them. Sea salt. Seaweed. Black pepper. Now I'm going to add the curry powder in. Onion. chickpeas. Gonna add some green peas on. Coconut cream in. Chopped garlic. Peppers. Add water. Let it simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes, then serve. Turn the gas off. Now your curry is ready. Finish off with a bit of fresh coriander over it. There you go, guys. But this is the lovely rice. I just put it in a cup. This is what you can do with it. You can serve whatever you want to serve with it. I'm gonna put some chickpeas and butternut squash curry beside it.